Know your limits, folks, know your limits. Testing out the new GoPro Hero 8. I'll just pop that up there. You guys can get that point of view instead of just looking at the ground. You can actually look and see where I'm going. So let's go for a ride. I get banged in the eyes with flies, left, right and centre. I need glasses. Just well for the helmet on, I tell you. Testing out the new GoPro Hero 8. I have a wind shield on it, customised from a different older camera to see what the sound quality is like. This wind shield is off the Action Cam EE Action Cam 4K Action Cam, which I've had for a long time. I wanted to test it out. I've modified it a bit, put on the GoPro Hero 8 to see what it's like. You guys can hear me whilst I'm talking. I also want to see what the vibration reduction is like also. I think it's on hyper smooth now, it's not on boost mode, it's on hyper smooth. So I think I may be getting a wide angle view, I'm not too sure. I'm going to pull over and double check. I'll spin it around in a minute and you guys can see where I'm right now. Oh, the night's lovely, the night, absolutely fantastic. Beautiful, it'll be a nice sunset I think. That was a nice easy hill on a Decathlon AST 900. Just goes up there, no problem whatsoever. So much fun to be on. Maybe look at this view and come over the hill there. The sky is looking absolutely beautiful tonight. Absolutely sun. Love it. Love it. Look how long the shadow is in front of us. That's when you want to be photographing when the sun's like this. Just starting to get low on the sky. Absolutely fantastic it is. Love it, love it, love it. Check out the view, check out the view. Look at that view. Clouds are just amazing me. If anybody's been sitting on the fence about buying an electric bike, I would highly recommend getting out and giving one a go, because it's so much fun, really are. You still get exercise, albeit light exercise if you want, normal exercise if you want also, but it's just really, really lots of fun. Lots and lots of fun. Yeah. That would have been a good test for the hyper smooth. Time to check out some different features on this camera. I think check out some of the time warp. I've no idea what that does. So let's have a look at that. So this is the GoPro Super View. I've just left it on standard mode. See what the colours are like. The first one was custom mode. This is the Super View, so you should get a really wide view of me. Hopefully the audio is still good. There's a little bit of a breeze obviously with us riding on the bike. You get to see what that looks like. We'll give it a blast, we'll ride around these hills, make some noise, just see what it's like really. But seriously, if anybody's on the fence about getting an electric bike like doing, because honestly that's so much fun. I don't think I've ever had as much fun on a bike ever. This is how bike should have been when I was a kid. So you might be asking why I got an e-bike. I got it for the photography business, to be honest. And you'd be asking, why did you get it for the photography business? Well, obviously on foot you can cover only so much ground, but I just feel on a bike you can cover more, and I've done plenty on a bike, but I want to go further on a bike, farther on a bike, carry more on a bike. And this is just a more efficient way of doing it. So I'm keen to see. Well, actually, I already know because I've been out before, and you have so much fun at the same time. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh. Just go down there, heading towards the lake. Almost end up in that lake. Woo. Yes, so as I was saying, so much fun. It really is. I've never had so much fun before, ever. Just having that power there, super fast. Honestly, took it through the mountain bike trails, and it's like being on a dirt bike. It really is. Obviously not as fast, but it still gives that good, really good frisk that you get on a bike as well. Go this way. We'll see what's down here. Have a look down there. Too much down here. And the light is just stunning the night. I've never brought my camera, I've got my phone. That'll do. So many nice shots. Whoa! Gotta be careful because there's loads of people always walking through these woods. See what the dynamic range is like on this. See while it copes in the darkness. And then back out into the light. Should be a good test for the GoPro Hero, I think. Yeah, body off here. Flies, flies. Yes, I'll have to get off here. Oh. Right. Oh. Oh, just realised I've got a walk mode on here. Oh, the walk mode on there is rather handy. Didn't even have to push it up. Very good. Yes, being out with all your camera gear can be quite tiring. I'm always out and about on foot, looking for new shots, looking for landscape shots, location shoots. Excuse me. Always on the lookout for lots of them. But when you're on foot, there's only so much ground you can cover, and you do get tired after a while. You think, right, I've had enough. Or there's certain hills or certain places you'll probably go, right, I'm not going to bother with that one just yet, I'll come back to that. And I just feel with this bike, you can go literally anywhere on it and just not be tired. Yeah, I'm going up the steep bank now, although you guys cannot see what it's like, but it's effortless. It's the good thing about it is that you can get a really good exercise. If you want it, you just turn it off. So on the days where you really want to go for it, have it on level 4 and just go for a blast. And the days where you want some exercise, just switch it off and just enjoy the ride. So it's a win-win in my eyes, it really is. It's the future for biking. I'm telling you now, 1 in 100 people in Britain ride electric bikes right at this moment in time. 1 in 2 across Europe ride electric bikes. So it's coming, folks. And there'll be big incentives from the government also. So it is coming. I see it now. It's enough of me waffling on anyways. Let's turn the camera around and see where we're going to go to next. Time to test out the chest mount to see what kind of point of view that's like. I've set the GoPro upside down to try and give a bit of better perspective and a better view of where I'm right now. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that okay. At least this way I can just get round. Should be able to see the handlebars. Oh, we'll go back up here again. Funny thing is about the mountain bike, these electric mountain bikes, is that you're so used to riding a normal mountain bike and you think you've got to hit it hard as soon as you get up the, like hitting the hill. You don't, you've got to do the opposite. Just go easier and let the motor do the thing, and it does it absolutely fantastic. I'll just check and see what that footage is like. Just check that, that looks pretty good. I like the point of view on there. Let's see what it looks like when it blasts down the hill. Be careful coming down here because there's loads of big potholes. Whoa! Frisk. I'm recording me map one as well, see what that looks like. Just, I think. The vibration will probably be a lot better mounted on my chest as well, I think. Ideally on my head would be my preferred position, but I've only got I haven't got like any kind of full face helmet. And unless I'm doing something really hardcore, I think a little bit silly riding around with a full face helmet. So I'm just stuck with either the mount on the handlebars, which we'll check the footage out and see what that's like when I get back, or this chest mount, which I think might be the one. I think. All depends on what the audio is as well. And back up. So the wind's blowing really hard here now. It'd be interesting to see what the audio is like coming from the GoPro 8 with the windshield on. I did want to hook up an external microphone and all that kind of stuff, but I thought I just want to get out, have a bit of fun, enjoy myself, and not have to worry about the gear. And that's one good thing about the action cam, sorry, the GoPro 8, is that you just put it on, press play, and off you go. So it'll be interesting to see the results. I'm really keen to see the results. So I think I might do a bit of an overview on the electric bike. It's not something I normally do on the channel, but because I'm going to be using it for photography, plan on heading down there, down the lakes, doing some really good tours down there, and obviously getting the camera out also, covering a lot of miles on the bike, nice and relaxed, and just making an enjoyable experience. So I'm looking forward to that. Something different, I think. Photography on an e-bike could be a new trend. Which way should we go? We'll go this way. Tell you where I'm going to go. We'll go to the quarry. See what that's like. I've never been there for a long time. This is the lake down by the quarry. And those are the hills I'm going to have a blast at. Yeah, see how high we can get. I don't know about you, but they look pretty steep. I don't think I would attempt them. Shall we have a go? We'll go up an easy one first, shall we? We'll go up an easy one. Let's try this one. We'll go up this one. The view from above. Oh, it's a bit of a steep one. Not a bad view though. Let's see what's going downhill. No, come off it. Please I didn't bring the GoPro here. First time out using it, that would have been handy, wouldn't it?